Our agenda for today involves understanding thermal energy part B. Convection transfers heat through fluid movement, from high to low temperatures. Examples include heating water in a pot and warming air in a room. Applications: boiling water, hot air balloon rising, warm water on the surface of a lake and cold water at the bottom, air conditioner cooling a room, cooking rice in water. Radiation is the transfer of heat by means of electromagnetic waves. This process involves carrying energy from an origin to the surrounding space, utilizing electromagnetic waves without the movement or interaction of matter. Applications: sun's light warming the earth, feeling warm when sitting in sunlight, a pan above the stove burner, barbecuing meat with charcoal, radiation for heat to reach the meat, conduction to cook it inside. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.